What's up, y'all? 'Tis the season for all those rich and creamy holiday recipes that we all know and love. So we are coming at you with a 3-part cocktail series inspired by all things dairy.
Yes, so we are teaming up with the Dairy Alliance to bring you these decadent, delicious
cocktails that will sure to become new family favorites. And we're gonna kick it off with episode 1, the Hot Buttered Rum.
Yeah, we're throwing this way back.
Way back.
Not like the 80s or the 90s.
We're talking early 1700s.
Yeah.
For this one.
Pre-colonial America cocktail here. And this is a cocktail that people drink really around the holidays, in the wintertime, and also as kind of a medicinal agent. They thought that rum was strengthening to the body, and along with all these herbs and spices that are in this cocktail, it's really kind of
so we're gonna go with that.
To just, make you feel better.
So hot buttered rum for the win. Here's how to do it. It's gonna take a little bit of prep work, but I promise it'll be worth it. So we've actually done the prep work for you already.
This is the Yule log. Check this thing
We're
out.
gonna call this the Yule log.
We know what it looks like, all right? Trust me, it's delicious.
We promise it'll be worth it. So you're gonna need 2 sticks of butter. You're gonna need vanilla ice cream. You're gonna need honey. You're gonna need brown sugar. And then your spices are gonna be cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, clove, a touch of cayenne, a touch of salt. And you're gonna get,
nice.
Yes, you're gonna get this beautifully spiced, buttery vanilla cream mixture. You're gonna whip it, so you let your butter soften, and then you're gonna whip it all or beat it all in an electric mixer to create the batter. So it does require a little bit of work, but it does make a lot of batter, so you're gonna end up yielding probably about 25 hot buttered rums.
And you can not only keep this in the fridge, but you can freeze it, and you can give it out as gifts.
Yeah, it could be a really cool gift. So once you have your batter though, that's the hard part, and it's not too bad. But once you have your batter, then assembling the cocktail is really, really easy.
Yeah, so easy. In fact, you could just make a whole batch of these for family and friends really quickly.
Absolutely. So you're gonna need a tablespoon. We're gonna get a heaping tablespoon of our batter into our coffee mug.
There we go.
And then, of course, the rum, the best part.
And we're using 2 kinds of rum today, you guys. I've got Old Monk rum right here. This rum is actually from India, and it's 7 years old. And we're using this because it's got a really nice vanilla backbone to it that's gonna pair really well with the spices, really nicely with the vanilla ice cream that already is in the batter. So 1 full ounce. And it's cool that the rum kind of eats through the batter and kind of starts dissolving it. And then we've also got a 5-year Barbadian rum. This is Real McCoy, and Real McCoy is a little bit drier. These are both aged rums, which is important. You don't want to use a white rum in this cocktail. You want to make sure that your rums are aged. You want that molasses content in the rum that's going to stand up to the other flavors in the cocktail.
Yeah, so these are the 2 we've chosen, but feel free to choose your own rum at home, but you'll just want to make sure it is an aged rum.
Yep.
And then we're gonna top it off. We found this at my mom's. It is a gorgeous antique silver teapot.
Beautiful.
So only fitting for this type of old school recipe.
And we're gonna melt this batter.
So this inside, we've brewed Earl Grey tea. We've used 2 tea bags to kick up that flavor a notch. And we're gonna top
Ooh, look at that. And you can smell it immediately. And you wanna leave yourself some room at the top, you guys. Don't go all the way, because we've got 1 final ingredient, and we're gonna stir that up. And now you can really smell all those nice aromas coming out of the batter and coming up from the rum and the tea. You can smell it's really nice and warming. It smells like you're walking through a Christmas market or something like that in the snow, all those mulling spices.
It does. It is the smell of the holidays for sure.
And now, secret weapon.
Secret weapon. You know, we're gonna cut some corners here. You could feel free to make your own homemade whipped cream. We know it's delicious, but we did make you make this batter. So let's just kind of cut a corner here. That's okay. We're gonna get this can of Ready Whip. Plus then you get this really nice effect at the top.
Oh, look at that.
And
gorgeous.
Boom, it kind of reminds me of the Harry Potter butterbeer.
It does look like a butterbeer, doesn't it?
If anyone's a Harry Potter fan. But here's your hot buttered rum. It is so delicious. I guarantee you it's gonna become a new family favorite. I hope you guys will give it a shot at home.
And feel free, guys, to, if you wanna make these, you know, you can make them for the kids, just do hot water in the batter, or you could do hot milk, or even tea if you wanna give somebody some tea for a non-alcoholic version.
Yeah, you can make this non-alcoholic, but just by omitting the rum.
Yep.
And
it's equally as delicious.
Wanna give it a shot?
Let me taste it. Oh,
Oops,
man. Got a little bit on the schnoz there.
So I hope you'll give this a shot at home this holiday season, and stay tuned. We have 2 more sweet, decadent cocktail recipes coming at you for the holidays.
That's right, guys. See you next time. Cheers.
Cheers.